Khubor Meghalaya Rakhe Kajingdap Nyop Khandai Snrm Kajing Laitluid Kari India Hakaba Menteri Rangba Kajala u Conrad ke Sangma Haka Khatsan Tarik Nailar Arajar Arpusan ula Pynher ya Lama Lairong bat ula Shimru ya Rashtriya Salute jung kinong March Pass kini ke Sngi Rakhe ya ke Sngi Laitluid jung Kari India kabala pelong Haji N Stadium Polo Shillong. Hakani ke Sngi haba ajing keren Menteri Rangba ke Jalla ulapan pawi ke shpautli ke jingtmu bat kimat baka sorkar Jalla ke angnot bantre na ke benta ban wanra iki kampen roy ha ke Jalla Meghalaya ban kentiu ke yok kokot ki ba nong shong shnong ke Jalla kumban penbiang ye ki umbam umdi ki surok bat ki lenti ki singkin ban penbiang ye ki internet ki bastet ki jaka sumar ki babiang bat ki we.
Thank you. Kindly be seated. The parade commander now reports to the chief guest for anonymity or consent to lead the parade out. Is the Chief Secretary to the Government of Meghalaya, the Director General of Police, the Deputy Commissioner of East Khasinews District, and the Superintendent of Police of East Khasinews District. Ladies and gentlemen, kindly remain standing for the hoisting of the national flag to be followed by the national anthem. Thank you. Kindly be seated. Ladies and gentlemen, that was the flypast courtesy of the Indian Air Force East Air Command Shillong, dropping away 50 kilograms of flower petals as a mark of respect to the national flag color that has just been hoisted.
From the gate only, main gate.
School and Northeastern Police Academy, Sri Ivan Tengor has served in the Meghalaya Police with distinction for over a decade. Through his dedication and commitment to service, he has earned various accolades, mostly the Chief Minister's Police Medal for outstanding service.
KPYC, fighting contingents, parade for Khuborjylla, Khasinews. Shillong.
Escorting the chief guest is Sri Ivan Benson Dingo, this year's Independence Day Parade Commander.
Today's chief guest, the Honorable Chief Minister of Meghalaya, Shri Conrad Samla, was born on the 27th of January 1978. He is the 12th
Present the 35 marching contingents in this year's Independence Day celebrations. May I remind one and all that this is the largest ever participation of contingents in the Independence Day celebrations in the capital city of Shillong. Arriving at the saluting dais to take the salute now is this year's Independence Day Parade Commander Sri Ivan Benson Dingo, followed by the Second Sub-Inspector Sri Karan Pachwa of the Meghalaya Police. Arriving at the saluting dais to take the salute now is the Border Security Force, led by its Commander Sub-Inspector Rahul Sussedia. Following closely is the contingent of the 7th Reserve Force, led by Inspector Arriving at the saluting dais to take the salute now is khasinews Special Operation Team of the Meghalaya Police. Arriving at the saluting dais now to take the salute is the contingent led by its commander ESI Yashwan Singh. Arriving at the saluting dais to take the salute now is the 5th IRDN Pacific, led by its commander Inspector Isaac Khubor. Following the contingent of St. Mary's Higher Secondary School and arriving at the saluting dais to take the salute now is Stephen Memorial Secondary School, Aurora, led by its commander Lairong Khubor. Ladies and gentlemen, arriving at the saluting dais and to take the salute now is the contingent of St. Joseph's Secondary School, Jaya, Shillong, led by its commander, Daniela Wala. Following St. Joseph's and arriving at the saluting dais is BSF Girls Higher Secondary School, led by its commander, Rafilabet S. Suting. Arriving at the saluting dais to take the salute now is the contingent of St. Gabriel's High Secondary School, Upper Shillong, led by its commander, Teresa Villa Bajau. Following St. Gabriel's High Secondary School and arriving at the saluting dais to take the salute is Lama Bengali Boys High Secondary School, led by its commander, Khubor. Lama Bengali Boys High Secondary School and arriving at the saluting times to take the salute is the contingent of St. Anthony's High Secondary School, led by its commander Azarel Suba. Following St. Anthony's High Secondary School and arriving at the saluting dance and taking the salute is Khubor Secondary School, led by its commander Ladies and gentlemen, please put your hands together for the band contingent of St. Martin's High Secondary School, led by its commander In the second place, we have ESF Girls Higher Secondary School, Shillong. And ladies and gentlemen, the champions of this year's Independence Day Parade, the contingent from Loreto Convent.
DSF girls.
In the band category, in the third place, we have Auxiliary Girls High Secondary School. In the second place, we have St. Margaret's High Secondary School. And ladies and gentlemen, the champions, Sacred Heart Boys High Secondary School, Samla and Shillong. Third lined up in our presentation is the Auxiliary School Marching Band, which is a vibrant and dynamic ensemble that embodies the spirit of school pride and unity. Comprised of dedicated students from grades 6 to 12, the band performs at various events throughout the year, including school functions, parades, and competition. Under the patronage of the school, the band has grown in skill and reputation, showcasing their musical talents and energetic performance. It was a humble beginning starting in the year 2019 with an initial enrollment of 22 students. The marching band has grown and improved with each passing year, achieving many milestones in this year. Ladies and gentlemen, presenting to you the NCC Auxiliary School Marching Band performance to enthrall us all with their beautiful display.